In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create multiple channels on a single email. It's very simple and easy. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So on your YouTube like this, just tap on here like this, and then you move to settings here. So I think on this email, I have two different channels. Now let me tap on view and manage my channels. Let me see. I have two different channels on this email. You can have a lot of channels. You can see this is for my cartoons. You can have more than, I think, 30 channels on a single email. Simple and easy. So tap on the create channel here. Good. So you enter your name and the name you want to give the channel. So let's say, let me do a Javi Explores. You get it? And now add, let me do a Javi Explore, something like this. And I think it's taken. Now I create the channel. You can even upload an image. So I'm redirected here. So that's the channel. So this is the channel. Now you can tap on this to subscribe. You get it? So let me come here and show you guys. You're going to see it's going to be added to my two old channels here. Now I move to settings here like this. And I come to add and manage my channels here. You're going to see Javi Explores added to the two other channels. You can see Javi Explores with a single subscriber. Amazing. And then K-Bro. So that's it on how you can create multiple channels on a single email. It's simple and easy. It's advisable to do that if you want to have all your channels on a single email. But then if you want to be doing two different things, I think you should create a different Gmail and then have the channel on that. So when you get penalized on this channel, it's not going to affect these two channels. You get it? So that's it for the video. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.